MoveMakers, I Am the Move program is geared towards helping those who are less privileged and underprivileged to afford this program so they're able to come here and join us in all the dance, the art, the just community environment by being sponsored by those who love this program and those who make this place a community as it is.
So those scholarship kids have the ability to come here, learn what traditionally they wouldn't have access to. And it does serve a lot of kids, but in return, those kids serve a lot of us as well. They're such great community leaders that they don't even know it. They show leadership, creativity, all those things where all the other kids benefit as well.
I believe that this space allows the kids to have an outlet. We're teaching kids like, have your personality, bring your culture, use your swag, like be who you are in this place.